welcome to the biology world. In previous video we discussed about the second chapter and discuss about the classification. We have to discuss 2 kingdom classification, 3 kingdom classification, 4 kingdom classification, and last we discuss about the 5 kingdom classification which is given by the R.H. Whitaker, and it is very useful for this nowadays. So classification topic is completed. Today we discuss about the again second topic, that is fungi. We will also discuss this topic, but today we revise this topic. So the fungus, we have all know what is fungus, and we see various type of fungus in our home, like bread, pickles. In pickles and bread, very much fungus is produced. The fungus is produced in mainly in moist places. In monsoon season, the fungi is very much observed in various places. So the fungi is much occurs in moist places. It is unicellular or multicellular. Only one fungus is unicellular, and that is yeast. Yeast is very much useful in bakery products, so it is unicellular. And besides the yeast, all the fungi is multicellular. The body organization of fungus, we discuss about the body organization. All fungus is filamentous, a thread-like long slender structure. It is known as hyphae. Define the word hyphae. The body organization of the fug is, all the fug are filamentous, and it is thread-like long slender structure. It is known as hyphae. Hyphae is net-like structure. If hyphae is net-like, it is known as mycelium. Again, asking exam, define the word mycelium. It is long slender-like structure. It is known as hyphae, and the network-like structure, it is known as mycelium. Like this is hyphae, and this is mycelium. In some fungus, the hyphae is filled with tubes, and in tubes, multinucleated cytoplasm is present, and this is known as oonocytic hyphae. Again, asked in examination, define the word oonocytic hyphae. So first of all, we study what is hyphae. It is long slender thread-like structure which is known as hyphae. If hyphae is network-like structure, it is known as mycelium. And in some fungus, it is filled with tube and multinucleated cytoplasm is present. It is known as oonocytic hyphae. These 3 words are very much important in examination for the purpose of define the word. It is 1 marks question. Now, we show the mode of nutrition in fungus. So, the fungus is parasites on plants and animals. So, it is dependent on plants and animals. It is known as parasites. It is saprophytes because it is occur in decomposers organisms. So it is known as saprophytes. In symbiotic relationship is also occur in with fungi. Symbiotic relationship. 2 living organisms are placed in together, and both have the benefits. It is known as symbiotic relationship. One of the best example of symbiotic relationship is our lichens, the fungus and the algae both are producing in same places and both have the benefits, so it is known as symbiotic relationship. But in fungus present in root of higher plants, and it is known as mycorrhiza. It is also again the one mark question, what is mycorrhiza? Fungus with symbiotic relationship with the higher root of higher plants, gymnosperm, angiosperms roots. So it is known as mycorrhiza. This is the mode of nutrition occurs in fungi. Now we discuss about the reproduction. Both the reproduction are present in fungus. Vegetative reproduction. First we discuss vegetative reproduction. So the vegetative reproduction is done by fragmentation, fission and budding. So this is the vegetative reproduction occurs are done in fungus. Asexual reproduction is done by spores. Spores produce. Asexual reproduction produced spores, which is known as conidia. Again the one mark question, what is conidia, or define the word conidia. In fungus, asexual reproduction is produced spores, and these spores are known as conidia. Two types of spores are produced. First one is asexual reproduction produce spores, which is known as conidia, zoospores and aplanospores. These two are the spores name which is produced during the asexual reproduction in fungus. Now we discuss about the sexual reproduction. It is also done by the produced spore, and these spores are oospores and basidiospores. All the spores are produced in fruiting body. The spores are produced in fruiting body like structure. Asexual reproduction is done by three main steps. Three main steps are occur in sexual reproduction. The first one is plasmogamy. Fusion of two protoplasm. Fusion of two protoplasm, which is motile or non-motile. So the motile or non-motile, both the gametes of protoplasm is fused, it is known as plasmogamy. The second one is karyogamy. Fusion of nucleus, it is known as karyogamy, and third one is meiosis. Haploid spores are produced. So this is the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is done by the producing spores like oospores and basidiospores. These oospores and basidiospores are producing fruiting bodies. Sexual reproduction is completed in three steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis. Fusion of two protoplasm of motile and non-motile gametes, it is known as plasmogamy. Then after fusion of this nucleus of motile and non-motile gametes, it is known known as karyogamy. And last one, this meiosis is produced. This is haploid numbers of spores are produced. So this is the three main steps occurs in fungus. This is also your 2 marks question. Write down the steps in sexual reproduction occurring fungi. So you have to write down 3 steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. This type asexual reproduction is also produce spores, which is known as conidia. It is also 1 marks question. Vegetative reproduction is done by fragmentation, fission, and budding. This is your MCQ question. What is hyphae, mycelium, coenocyte hyphae, which is we have to already discuss. Now we discuss about the one topic, that is cell wall. In fungus, cell wall is present, and cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharides. The cell wall of fungus is known as fungus cellulose because it is made up of cellulose. So it is known as fungus cellulose. The fungus group is divided into mainly various types, but it is divided into 4 main types: Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes, and Phycomycetes. It is also present in various places. It is also useful, benefits and debenefits or harmful for human beings or living organisms. The main useful fungi is penicillium. It is the source of antibiotics. The penicillium is the source of the antibiotics. Most of the antibiotics are produced in penicillium fungus. So it is very much useful, but it is very much harmful for our crop. Puccinia disease is occur in wheat plant. So it is harmful and it is benefits. 4 groups: Ascomycetes, Phycomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. So Ascomycetes, it is also mushroom is also included in this group, and you have to know that mushroom is very much useful in edible fungus. So mushroom is edible fungus. Basidiomycetes, it is also known as bracket fungi. Deuteromycetes, it is also known as imperfect fungi because only asexual reproduction is occur, sexual reproduction is not occur. So the 4 main groups of fungus is Ascomycetes, Phycomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. In these 4 groups, we have to already discuss in detail. You have to ask in examination. Write down the short note of sect fungi. Write down the short note of imperfect fungi. And already we have to given in worksheet. Question is also given. So prepare well. This is the basic information of the fungus. 1 marks and 2 marks questions are also asked in this type and in this basic fungus related notes. So prepare well. Now again we have to start in Monday. This chapter is continuous start, and we have to discuss about the viruses, which is very much important for our human beings. So now you have to very well prepare fungus and 4 classes because it is very much important chapter for your 11th standard. And in Sunday you have to write this half portion of the chapter. Now again again biology test half portion is also asked, and now new chapter is starts. So prepare well. 4 classes are remain, and this is the 1 marks question and 2 marks question are asked in basic information about the fungus. So prepare well. All the best, and thank you.